being a teacher is awesome. Just take it. Don't argue with it. No. And actually, being a nursery teacher is not awesome. Awesome. Not awesomeness. And some is just a lot. It entails a lot. Because being a teacher in the classroom, a nursery teacher, I'm a businesswoman. I'm a multi-ideologer. Because I have to advertise my business to my pupils. It's just like I'm advertising my teaching to my pupils because I teach nursery and that they are told as their pupils. Have to. And they must buy what I am teaching. They must buy what I'm selling. They're my customers. Only buy me anyone. They must buy what I am selling. I don't know why. I don't know why in the class. I don't know about other. I say I don't know. I don't call myself this. I don't know about other teachers. But for me, me see in this classroom. I don't know why in the class. Eh? It has to. They must understand. That is, they must buy my learning, my teaching. They must understand what I am saying. They must be able to do it. For example, we get back from the assembly in the morning drill. We have done morning drill. We have taught numeracy, literacy, just like I'm teaching mathematics. You don't teach it by 3 p.m. It's not nice. I remember when I was still young and we used to do extra lesson mathematics. Oh, yeah, me. I don't understand then. So we have to do numeracy, literacy. That is number work, letter work. Maybe quantitative reading skills and things like that. Then we have some topics like social habits, health habits, social science, creative art. There's some fine art, things like that. Or Solomon bosses in the afternoon. And by that time they have gone for break. They're tired. Teachers are tired. We have to just keep up. And be able to go in the classroom. Go more than the class. We have to just. And I want to sell. It's just like you want to sell. I don't want to take this my leftover. I don't want to take it home because they will get spoiled. I want to sell. It's just like those people those marketers will come and come and register with OPay, come and register with GT, come and register with Access, and they'll just cajole you. So I have to cajole them. So as a teacher, you must be creative, attractive. Yes, attractive in the looks. And whatever you're doing, in your teaching studio, your teachers must be attractive. You must have a good handwriting. You must be audible. I'm not saying you should shout, but you must be audible. And you must just find, you must just 1 plus 1 can give you 18 because maybe you have like 18 children in your class, you have 16, you have 9. Depends on how many students you have in your class. So you must be able to circulate if you have this and you must just do something. You have to teach my children planet. Maybe you close like 2 and I have to teach my by 1:15 and this one is out. Okay, maybe you're not working on this one. I'm working on this one in the classroom. I'm working on that this one in the classroom because it's so my students are already dozing off. They're tired. Some are already playing, they're already getting engrossed in the play. Yes, you say keep them busy. But not everybody has the same energy. You get not everybody has the same energy in the classroom. So I have to teach them planet. And I just remember when I was trying to teach Yorùbá and I just remember this, do as I do, as I do. Because I mean you want to class do sometimes you have to leave the classroom, go outside, that is it though. Mama do as I do. You just have to do something. You just have to check that sleepiness. You shake it off from their body, that dullness. Because if they are talking, you are shouting, how is planet? Out of 18 children in your class, it might be 2 people of us, and you'll be dull. They'll bring it to you. So you said you'll get dull in your spirit. We have to shake them off. It's also right. I always saw I'm giving. That is it though. So if you just say that, like, as you see, Indomie will just come out, they'll bring dancers, they'll be dancing. That's what we are doing too. I also do that in my classroom. We dance it too. So I said many things, many energy. Let's go. Most times Shakira, I've been a lot in the classroom and it is awesome. I really love that. I just remember that and I'm like, and I'll just laugh like God. It's awesome. Try being a teacher. You're not a teacher. Just try it. But if you know you're not creative, you cannot. The energy is, you cannot just, sometimes your energy has to be high and low. You know that. Don't go down. Or being a teacher.